Hi everybody, this is Amanda Marchisello and I am scouting my favorite thing ever, which is the new construction. This one is by Taylor Morrison. You can see it's coming soon. There's no building materials even built yet. But I just wanted to tell everyone about this one. So I want to show you the surrounding area because a lot of times the problems with the new communities, right, is that they're in the middle of nowhere and no one wants to live there, and that's how they got the plot of land, is because no one wanted it. This is not the case. This is walkable into the historic Davidson town and also to the area where Milk Bread and Community School of Davidson is located. So it's a really cool plot of land. As you can see here, the homes have, a lot of them, I'd say 80%, have been redone into these gorgeous homes that are over $2 million, selling like hotcakes. So that's why these townhomes, which will be starting in the 600s and releasing mid-2024, which is honestly like right now, so I'm going to keep you updated on that. They start at 1,800 square feet. They're 3 stories. They basically live inside like a house would live. It's just that you're getting that price point lower because you are an attached product. So I think these are going to be really great. I do like Taylor Morrison for a builder, and I love a walkable townhome. So if you want any more information, please let me know. You want to get in on these sooner rather than later because the first sale is the lowest sale. The last sale is the highest sale in every new community. Thank you so much.